Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo ThinkPad won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often occurs due to a faulty power supply, a dead battery, or internal hardware problems. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to further damage or data loss, making it even more challenging to fix. To begin with this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. First, ensure the device is completely powered off and unplugged. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the bottom panel of the ThinkPad. Be careful to keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the bottom cover, starting from the edges to avoid damaging the clips. Once the cover is removed, you will have access to the internal components. The most common culprit for this issue is the battery or the power connector. Locate the battery, which is usually situated centrally. Carefully disconnect the battery connector by gently pulling it out. If the battery is removable, take it out and inspect it for any signs of swelling or damage. If the battery appears fine, check the power connector for any loose connections. If either component appears faulty, you will need to replace it. When replacing the battery, ensure you use the correct model for your ThinkPad. To do this, align the new battery with the connector and press down firmly until it clicks into place. Remember to reconnect any cables you may have disconnected during this process. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is reconnected, carefully replace the bottom cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, power on your ThinkPad to check if the issue is resolved. If it turns on, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your device. To prevent similar issues in the future, ensure that you keep your laptop clean and free from dust, avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures, and regularly check for any software updates. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.